Hey guys, welcome to the I Publish Ghostwriters YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to focus on giving you a glimpse of how I create AMS ads to drive traffic to my books, to my Audible books, to everything. I'm going to show you a quick peek of what's covered in my course. If you learn how to do this, you're going to be able to drive traffic and you're going to be able to create passive income, because once your ads are working for you, then you truly have passive income. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on likes if you like what I'm showing you. And let's get right into it. Hey guys, want to show you this AMS back office case study. What I want you to understand is that this process is a slow process, or a process that you have to put your time into. But the reality is that the time that you spend in here, it's an investment, because learning how to drive traffic like this is going to yield return on investment for years to come. I mean, it doesn't matter when your book was published, if it was published a year ago, 2 years ago, or if you publish it this month. If you learn how to drive traffic to your book's cover and your book's description is going to sell. So for every dollar you put in, you're going to get money back. So just take a look at this. And as I show you examples throughout these modules, I'm also going to show you books that are not performing well at the moment. It takes time, but eventually they all turn like this, what I'm showing you here. So look at this book here. The ad was first started back in March of 2019. Most of the ads were started in March of 2019, and it took me a while to have them start performing like this. But once they do, this doesn't stop. It's like, I don't know, it's like, well, you know what it is? It's exactly passive income. It's the reason that you don't have to be an author, a bestseller, any of that. What you have to do is produce a product to the marketplace that people are searching for, and then you place this product in front of them, and you do it by placing these ads. All right, and this is what I'm going to show you, the good and the bad. So just take a look at this as you're going through these modules, these lessons with me. Just keep this in the back of your mind. Impressions, right? 1.4, 2.3, 1.7 million clicks in the thousands, right? Look how much I spent here. 800 in cost, 3,400 in revenue, 600 in spend, 2,700. I spent here 1,242, 3,516 in revenue, right? These are all the orders. 6,000. Look at this. Look at this here. Spent 500, 1,600 in revenue. Spent 511, 2,000. I mean, it goes on, right? And it goes on. Not luck, but just a process. The process that I'm going to show you. Spent 1,300, about close to 5,000 here. Look at the cost per click. The cost per click on 107,000 clicks, only 23 cents. Now you're going to see why I start off at 15 cents. I don't start off at 40 cents, 50 cents. This is why. And look down here. Cost per click, 48 cents. This is probably a bundle. It is a bundle. Spent 700, made 2,000. Okay, but less impressions. And look at the clicks. So I want you to see this, and I want you to keep this in the back of your mind as I'm teaching you this from ground zero, and as we start off slow and we start to pick up steam. Okay, this is the process. This is what you want to do on a monthly, quarterly basis, 6 months, depending on how many books you have. This is the end result, and this is what we call passive income. Once you get this, you don't have to do anything. I have several publishing platforms, back offices. There's some platforms that I don't really publish that much anymore, because they're producing a true passive income, where I go in, if an ad is not performing anymore that well, I go in and I refresh the keywords. I'm gonna show you the process now, and you upload new keywords and you start doing the same process again. And then this is it. This is what investing, this is what marketing is all about, putting money in and getting more money back. All right, so this is what it's all about. This is how you equalize, right? This is how you equalize your business, how you outsource everything, and then it comes back to you in order for you to perform this marketing function and have your product sell in the marketplace. Remember, your marketplace is not the local store. It's not your city. It's an international marketplace. And this marketplace that I'm showing you right now is only in the US. You get to be just as successful in the UK and plenty of other advertisement platforms that AMS offers. I specialize in the US and the UK, but up and coming as of this recording, Canada and Australia have just opened up for us to do the same thing. And I'm looking forward to it because it's money that most people are not willing to do this process and get a return on their investment like I'm showing you live here. The sooner that you're willing to commit to doing this and taking the time like I'm going to show you in the lessons, the sooner you're going to get to sit back and realize what passive income and selling to an international marketplace is all about. All right, I'll see you throughout the lessons. I hope you enjoy it.